Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to clean install macOS 13 Ventura. It's the final release. This is a step-by-step guide. If you are new to macOS, this tutorial will help you understand the process of installing macOS 13 Ventura and learn about the initial setup. For this tutorial, I am going to install Ventura on my external SSD. I have already created a separate partition for this purpose. It will be a clean install. For a clean install, you will erase everything on your disk and install a fresh copy of macOS. Then you need to spend some time setting it up. A clean install is the best option to upgrade your operating system. It reduces many problems during and after the installation. Whether you want to upgrade from an older version or perform a clean install, back up your important files. You won't regret updating or upgrading to the new OS. You should upgrade your system on your day off or when you have plenty of free time. You will have enough time to troubleshoot or ask for help if something goes wrong. I have a tutorial on my channel if you want to know how to format and partition your SSD or hard disk drive. I leave the link in the description underneath this video. Let's start. This external volume has already been formatted. There is nothing on it. And is ready to accept the installation of macOS Ventura 13. First, I launch App Store application, search for macOS Ventura, and click on Get. This will take some time, so I'll stop recording and return when the download is complete. It took around 45 minutes for the Ventura installer to be downloaded. This is the installer interface. I'll click on Continue. Next, click on Agree. And select the volume on which I want to install Ventura. I am going to select macOS Ventura and click on Continue. Next, I enter my password. This will take some time, so I'll stop recording and return when the installation is complete. Now I'll click on Restart to install macOS Ventura. During the installation, your Mac will probably restart 4 or 5 times. You will see a black screen with the Apple logo in the middle and a progress bar. Be patient and allow the installation to finish. After the final restart, you need to go through the initial setup. Here is the first screen. If you don't have enough time to do the initial setup, press Command plus Q to shut down your Mac and continue whenever you have time. If you don't see your country's name, scroll down to find it and click on Continue. On the fifth screen, you will see the written and spoken languages. In my case, it is English and Japanese. If you want to add a different or another language, click on Customize Settings, click on the plus icon, add a language, and click on Continue. The next screen is Accessibility. Accessibility features adapt your Mac to your individual needs. You can do this later in the system settings. To simplify the process, click Not Now. On the following screen, you will need to select your network. In my case, I use a Wi-Fi network, so I choose my Wi-Fi name from the list, enter my password, or you can select your wired network and enter your network password. After connecting to the internet, you will see the data and privacy screen. If you want more information, click Learn More. Otherwise, click on Continue. The following screen is Migration Assistant. If you have information on another Mac or a Windows PC, you can transfer it to this Mac. I prefer not to do it now, so I click Not Now. The next step is to sign in with your Apple ID to use iCloud, the Apple Store, and other Apple services. Enter your Apple ID, which is your email address, and the password for your Apple ID in this box. If you don't want to do it now, click Setup later. Then click on Continue. You will receive a 6-digit verification code. I received the code on my iPhone. Enter the code and click on Continue. The next screen is the Terms and Conditions. It will be displayed in your language. After reading it, ensure the box on the left is checked and click on Agree. The following prompt is to create a computer account or user account. Enter your full name or just your first name. Your name will be used for your account name. After that, enter your password and enter it again to verify it. You will use this password whenever you log into your Mac. The password hint is optional. However, if you want to use it, you can type anything in this box. Write down your user account name, password, and password hint and keep it in a safe place. You need them whenever you log into your Mac. Now the Setup Assistant is setting up your account. When it is finished, click on Continue. The following prompt is to make this your new Mac. If you are happy with your settings, click on Continue. If you want to change a part of these settings, click on Customize Settings. I am happy with the settings, so I click on Continue. You will see the Mac desktop if everything goes well without any issues. If you want to change any settings on your Mac, click on System Settings to customize your Mac. For example, if you are going to change from light mode to dark mode, click on System Settings. Next, click on Appearance and switch from light mode to dark mode. I will post more tutorials about some of these settings in the near future. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you learned something new from it, give it a like and click on the subscribe button to get notifications about upcoming tutorials. Your support will encourage me to make more videos for you. Thank you for watching.